Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E6i. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with those two pictures. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!